E-bike delivery workers are everywhere in New York City. They're racing through bike lanes, weaving between cabs, and cutting across crosswalks to make their next drop-off on time. And when one of them collides with you, the injuries can be serious. Broken bones, head trauma, torn ligaments, the kind of damage that changes your daily life. Here's what most people don't realize. A collision with an e-bike delivery worker is not a simple bicycle case. You may have claims against the rider, the delivery company, the restaurant, and the app platform that dispatched them. DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Relay. These companies often try to call their workers independent contractors to avoid responsibility. I push back on that. I also handle the insurance angle. Many e-bikes are classified as motor vehicles under New York law, which can open up no-fault benefits you didn't know existed. That means medical bills and lost wages covered, even before we settle. If an e-bike delivery rider hits you in New York City, call my office today. Your consultation is free, and you pay nothing unless I win.